Viewing and displaying three-dimensional models. AutoCAD provides several tools in which we can display our 3D model in either pictorial or orthographic views. As we learned earlier, if we go up to the in-canvas controls and click, we can go over here and we can go to any of our isometric viewpoints that we're looking at here. We also can go to our orthographic views as well. We also can use the view cube over here. Here we have the view cube, and we can spin around and see the things from different isometric views or from a front view, etc. So that's very handy and a very useful way of navigating. It's my preferred method personally. And also we have some orbit tools. If we go over to our navigational bar here, and we have 3 different orbit tools in which we can use to spin things around. Once we establish a viewpoint, we can go up to our view tab in a ribbon bar, and we can use some of these properties up here for our visual styles. And visual styles are located also in our in-canvas controls, and we click on that and we have some default canvas styles, and we'll learn later an in-depth topic on this entire thing in later parts of our learning. But right now we just need to know this is our different styles of visual styles are right here in the in-canvas controls. And we also have if we go up to our Visualize tab, we have a Render button. And a Render button, this little teapot here, and the teapot is for the rendering command, and it'll produce an image that will create lights and shading and materials. So it gives us a more realistic look of our particular model. So we have various ways of seeing our particular model. So we can go over and say, well, we want to go just a 2D wireframe, so we can see things like that, or we can go to a conceptual, or we can go to a realistic, which is the best it will look like under basic conditions. Or we could go up and we could render it and place some lightings and some shadows on it. So we have different ways of controlling our viewport, visualizing what we see in 3D, and we can visualize and display our 3D models.